Kourosh.
Oh, hi guys. Sorry, I was reading a Garfield book. So today at my school library, I got some Garfield books because Garfield is my favorite character. He's one of them. So, if you want, you can tell me your favorite character in the comment section below. So anyways, today we'll be talking about adding and subtracting fractions. I hope you enjoyed this week's lesson, and let's go! The four main operations of fractions. In this lesson, we'll be talking about addition and subtraction. As mentioned in the previous videos, to add and subtract fractions, you must first make their denominators the same. LCM is used to find the common denominator of fractions. Look at this example, 2 over 3 plus 5 over 9. We can consider the LCM of 3 and 9 as the common denominator of these fractions, which is 9. Therefore, there is no need to change the fraction 5 over 9 because its denominator is already 9. But 2 over 3 can be converted into a fraction with a denominator 9 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 3. In this way, the sum of these two fractions is 11 over 9. Now, since this is a fraction larger than 1, if we want to write it as a mixed number, we will have 1 and 2 over 9. We do the same for subtraction. For example, in order to see how to calculate mixed numbers, I have considered one of the fractions as a mixed number. First, we convert the mixed number into a fraction like this. 5 and 2 over 3 is equal to 5 over 1 plus 2 over 3. Now, as we said about the sum of fractions, we find the common denominator between these two fractions, which is 3. And the fraction will be like this, 17 over 3. Well, now we have to subtract 17 over 3 from 1 over 2. This time, we get a common denominator between these two fractions. Considering that the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, the numerator and denominator of 17 over 3 are multiplied by 2, and the numerator and denominator of 1 over 2 are multiplied by 3. So, the denominator of both fractions becomes 6, and the result will be 5 and 1 over 6. If we want to add and subtract mixed numbers, we can convert them into fractions, like the previous example. Also, we can calculate whole number parts together and fractions parts together. Look at this example, 2 and 8 over 9 plus 4 and 2 over 3. By the first way, we can convert both mixed numbers to fractions like this. 2 and 8 over 9 can be written as 26 over 9, and 4 and 2 over 3 can be written as 14 over 3. Since 9 is the LCM of 3 and 9, we consider it as a common denominator. Therefore, the sum of two fractions can be written as 26 plus 42 over 9, or 68 over 9, or 7 and 5 over 9. By the second way, we can add 2 to 4, which will give us 6, and 8 over 9 with 2 over 3, which will be 8 plus 6 over 9 equals 14 over 9, or 9 plus 5 over 9 equals 9 over 9 plus 5 over 9. As you know, 9 over 9 is 1, so the result will be 1 and 5 over 9. Now we can add 1 with the sum of the whole numbers, which was 6. And the result will be 7 and 5 over 9. As you can see, both ways give us the same answer. Well guys, I will ask this week's question and then I have to go to do my homework. Can you tell me what is minus 6 plus 3 over 5? You can write your answer in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.